Why life is so hard? This is a question that only a few could answer because very large percentage of people do not have answers to this question. If you look and think about the question very well, there will be lots of thoughts flowing through your mind. The question is such a heavy one. Every man and woman born into this world was brought into the battlefront because life is full of battle. This is not to scare anyone, but to prepare you to face the task. Why life is so hard? There is a popular saying that life is not a bed of roses. We live in a world where individuals are faced with different problems, different circumstances, and challenges of life. 5 reasons why life is so hard. Point 1. Connection. People find it so hard to connect with others. Connecting with people is very important. Interpersonal relationships and social connections are essential because it can help lower anxiety and depression. It can also help regulate our emotions and learn new things from people. Isolating yourself from people would make life hard for you. A popular saying, if you want to go fast in life, move alone. If you want to go far in life, move with people. Point 2. Life without purpose. The meaning of life is hard to see. It is hard to see whatever is coming at particular point in time. Life is not a copy and paste of logic. Situation can arise for anyone at any point in time. Point 3. Role of emotions. We were created with emotions and these emotions can determine our steps and decision making. There are some people who we claim don't have emotions, but in the reality of it, we simply react based on our emotions. When something exciting happens, we have positive emotions that open us up to better body language. Behavior is different from emotions, but they are interwoven. Bad vibes and occurrence will bring bad emotions and could affect our decision making. This could make life more difficult. Point 4. Lack of self-satisfaction. We attach our happiness to others. Life is always difficult when we attach our happiness to others because human beings can disappoint at any time. We tend to trust friends, spouses, and so other close people. This trust brings a level of dependence that we have on them. One of the things you have to do is to try and always make yourself happy. Point 5. Fear of failure. We have fears in life, they often come to pass. Someone once told me that to live a happy life, live freely, and don't care so much about what life throws at you. What are your greatest fears in life? To become successful, to marry early, and to achieve some feats before a certain age bracket. These things are good, but then you have to live your life. Life is not fair to anybody. We often don't get what we deserve. We have various fears in life that we know that if they should happen, the effect on us might be great and might lead us to breaking down. You just have to live your life and accept whatever is beyond your control in life. What to do when life is hard? Change yourself. In order to find solution for problems, first change yourself. Make positive changes within your personality. Identify those problems which can be solved by making small changes in your daily routine or life. Learn from mistakes. Your life is hard because you have made many mistakes in your life. Do not ignore those mistakes or let those mistakes go without taking any life lesson. When you will start taking your mistakes for life learning, your attitude will become positive as well. Be patient. It is very hard fact to swallow, but it's true. If you want something in life but you are not able to achieve that thing, it means life has something more magnificent for you. You just have strong faith that everything happens for a reason. Do not compare. Don't compare yourself with anyone. Having a goal-oriented mind doesn't mean that you have to follow someone else's goal. Be patient and work hard for your goals. Recall the worst case scenario. Whenever you are stuck in any crisis situation, human mind starts assuming things that probably will never happen. Firstly, calm yourself down and think through the problem slowly. Think of the worst case scenario. Usually it's not a matter of life and death. Accept yourself, love yourself, and keep moving forward. If you want to fly, you have to give up what weighs you down. This is life. Life is a beautiful journey, and that is meant to be embraced to the fullest every day. However, that doesn't mean you always wake up ready to seize the day. Sometimes need a reminder that life is a great gift.